What's up, guys? It's me, the game. It's Bad Aim. Today I got something a little different. An unboxing of something we picked up at our local FG Bradley's. I don't know if you know that store, but they sell like a bunch of games and stuff. And it's something we've been looking for quite some time. Let's have a look. There it is. It's a board. And then the next part is here, which is
the pieces. Those are humongous.
And it's nice,
And
big,
can I go
beautiful
inside the pieces? No.
pieces. Look at that.
They're huge.
Now those are nicely weighted. Hold on. Wait, nicely weighted chess pieces.
How
They
heavy?
got.
How heavy is it?
Huh? It's nice. Nice. It's got good weight, but you can see. Hold on. We have to show everyone first. So they're made out of acrylic, so it's not wood, but you can see that there is wood, kind of a wood grain finish on there. So there is the, I guess the natural
How can I hold
finish
it?
called, it says blonde. And then
Oh, not heavy.
here is the burgundy color. Almost looks, probably looks black on the screen, but it is like a very dark
Brown.
red brown
It looks kind
burgundy
of looks red.
type of color.
Like this.
So that's the queen.
Heavy, it's a king.
But check this out.
You can tell what
There is the knight. The detail on the knight. Here's the king. We'll take a look at the knight detail on this one. Thank you. The knight detail there. And this is called the Harvard chess set.
I am.
And it was retailing for $229 Canadian. FG Bradley's. So look at that. Look at the detail on that. Isn't that cool? It's nice. Not bad for acrylic pieces. And there's the pawn. Pretty typical pawn. I'll show you a little something on here. At least it's got this nice box to keep it in. I mean, it's just a standard box, but I'll probably fix that. But check this out. So there's the pawn, and it is made out of acrylic because you can see there is a point right there, the separation point where you would take it apart, take it off the mold. And I mean, they did a pretty good job hiding the seam, but it is there if you look hard enough for it. So that is it, guys. That
Here's the queen.
is the our new chess set. Here's the rook. You wanna just have a closer look at that rook. But what I like is nice size, nice weight, good details, and that is it, guys, for this video. Just wanted to show you that, share that with you, and thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.
I'm taking all of them.